Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can use Google Trends to find products to sell. Let's dive in. Search a product you are interested in. Select it to be a search term. Now you can filter the region according to your need. You can even choose it to be worldwide. You can filter the time duration. You can select the category your product belongs to. You can even filter the search medium. You can change it to Google Shopping. You can see the region rankings and see related queries. You can explore a related query just by clicking on it, and you will see the data of the product. You can filter the terms according to your need. You can see all the available data to find your product. You can repeat the process until you find a product that you like. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.